Hello, and welcome back to another episode of our game character creation series. In this episode, we are going to do the UV Europeans and mapping. So I think this will be a relatively short episode compared to the other one. So let's get right into it. So to do the UV mapping, we need to apply the UV checkup the chart to our 3D model first. To do that, we need to go to the material property tab and now create a new material. Let's call the material rest. So because it's our coordinate is rest, so we are going to create a new image base color. So we can press this button here and then we can choose image texture. Then we are going to create a new one and we can just name it UV or we can just leave it untitled. It doesn't matter. In the generated type, instead of blank, we can choose UV grid. Okay, there. Okay. So when we go to the material preview mode by pressing set and then choose a material preview, you will just see the gray texture here. Because we have wrap our character right now, so we can do it by going to the edit mode, select our character model, select right tab to go to the edit mode. So we need to select the UV sim in our model. So I will just choose some blue around the left and the tail to make UV sim. So I will just choose this loop here. Okay, and then we have to go to the edge selection mode first by pressing 2, and then we will choose this edge around here. Okay, we can choose the edge tool by pressing Control and Shift and Alt, and then press this edge. Okay, here Alt the edge. This one. Right now we got the whole edge tool around our character end. And then what we can do is we can mark as you will see by pressing Ctrl and E, and we can cut it apart. And then we can click mask sim. And we can see here the UV sim are marked at the red line compared to the other edges. We will also do the same for the day, and I will choose this as loop. Okay, like this. And then press Ctrl and E and then mask sim. Okay, and then we will also do for this end of the day like this. Now this line here by pressing it, Alt and Shift, select, and Shift select, Alt and Shift select. Okay, and then press Ctrl E and choose mask sim. Okay, then we will choose the loop for the left and for the type, and then we will choose this loop around here. Okay, okay, maybe this one and mask. Let's see how it erupt right now. By pressing U2, you will erupt, and it will give you the setting for UV mapping. And what we want to choose right now is just erupt. Okay, we can see the UV sim, the sim at the M and the duct are not erupt really well. As you can see, the density of our UV checker map. This area around the base of the dye is very dense, and this is very spread out at the peak. So what we can do is we can choose this loop right there by pressing Shift tab and then take line here to here. So make sure to select the entire loop, okay, like starting from here to here, okay, and then we can just same, and then just select everything by pressing A and then choose Unwrap. Okay, now the chart is at the around the peak, and on the die it very spread up, and then we can check it in the UV editor. Okay. Press as select key to isolate it, and then press Z and choose material preview to see the preview. Okay, we can select it UV sense selection to see our mesh. Okay. Okay, we can choose the individual UV islands to check the one request. This is for the body. Okay. Okay. This is for the type. Okay, type is very dense, and then this those area, but it's still not really working well at the type. So what we can do right now is we can just wrap it from here to here. You can choose the selected as do by pressing Ctrl. Let's say we want to choose along this path, and you can choose the S here and then press Ctrl and select this one. It will automatically choose the shorter path from this S to this S. And then we can just press Ctrl E and then wrap it. And we can select everything and wrap. Yeah, this look a lot better right now. And maybe we can even edit things here by pressing machine and then just wrap it. Yeah, this look good for the black right now. As you can see, it relatively spread out evenly right now. Okay, let's do the same for the end. Okay, I will choose this blue from this side to this side. So we can use the shorter path selection by Control and select, Control and select, Control and select, Control and select, and then sorry. And if you choose round, just press Ctrl Z to undo it. Okay, now we can wrap it right now. Now we can wrap it again. Okay, I think it's look good for the M right now. And you can see it's evenly spread out. It will be with evenly spread out right now. So this is the UV mapping, but the last step we need to do it. This is only for the one side of our mesh, since we are using the mirror modifier. So we need to apply the mirror modifier and rub it again and see how it looks. Okay, and we will apply the mirror modifier by selecting the apply. Okay, let's unwrap it. Unwrap. Okay, now it's the very well right now. It will go only in the M at the top area. The rest of the area is not looking good right now, but we can easily fix it. And let's do this blue for the teeth. Yeah, yeah. Passing, and then we unwrap it. This day will be it looking good right now. And we can also do the same for the tip it here to here and then it here. And now we can also check in the UV editing mode, or we can even customize our layout by choosing the UV. Let's pause this one. UV. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And now we need to do the UV wrapping for the head. So I will add a loop around the neck here to here. Now we got a complete loop around the neck, as you can see there. But same and wrap again. And now looking good right now. Because the whole area is now split from the middle. So what we can do is we can choose this line also the same for this side. Then the master where we can separate that line UV line. We can check it in the set the condition in the UV map by selecting link by pressing A. Okay, go to this one here. Select A, in this pop-up tab, you can choose sim. So it will choose the UV sim, and you can also see it in the UV editor setting. And as you can see, it unwrap very nice and evenly. So this look good for the chest and back area. Okay, and now we can unwrap the head area. Then maybe we will add another loop around here like this, and we will close the loop like this, and that's it. So what we need to do is we need to add the same here so it can unwrap like a cylinder. Okay, that's it, and then let it dance and unwrap again. Okay, now it's looking good for the neck part also. So what we need to do is we can unwrap the space part further by instead of just adding loop, what I want to do is just add in some line. Hit away, maybe from here to here, and you can check this one. This is the base UV island. Okay, as you can see, it's split up from here. So and this it can look better right now, as you can see, and this is looking good right now. Now for the corrector, we can optimize our UV island and by moving things around and making everything spaced out nicely. But in this case, this is a very simple character, and we don't need to add a lot of detail. So we won't make the UV mapping manually. Just keep it like this. Okay, that will be okay. Okay, so And now we can do that exporting part. So we can import it in the system painter and start doing the texture painting process. So select this one, go to the file, export. I will export it as FBA file. Okay, I will call it Unwrap low because this is a low poly mesh, and that. And we have to select the object. So it will only export this low poly mesh, only this low poly mesh, and then export appear. Then we can press slash, and then we will get back the everything in the same. We will hide our low poly mesh by pressing H. Now we only have the high poly point. Now by pressing E, we can select all the high poly mesh, and then we will export it as APA with the name, right? So make sure you click the object only, so it will only export the high poly object. So export APA. So this is it for that UV unwrapping part. I will see you in the texture painting process in the system painter.